everyone, welcome to the Outdoor Engineers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be comparing the STIHL Kombi with a bristle brush against a good old-fashioned snow shovel to see how they compare against some icy snow, which was just some surface ice covered by about a centimeter of snow. Before we get into the video, here's a quick comparison between the STIHL and the shovel. So the STIHL Kombi system costs upwards of $400 for the engine, about $430 for the bristle brush. You also need 2-stroke gasoline to get it to work. Looking at the snow shovel, we have a Garant model that runs about $26 and only requires a little bit of elbow grease to get it working. Now we'll get into the video and see how each product does at clearing the icy snow. So first up is my brother using the snow shovel. You can see that it's not doing too good of a job and that some of the snow and ice are still stuck to the concrete. And with the passes done, you can see that the shovel hasn't done the best job at cleaning the driveway, especially that ice layer that was at the bottom that's still all stuck to the concrete. Now my old man will be using the STIHL as he doesn't let us play with the fun toys just yet. I'm only joking. Right away you can hear how much louder it is, and you can see that it does quick work of the leftovers from the snow shovel. And it's also interesting to note here that the STIHL is leaving some lines of snow behind there, as you can see at the top. If you see here, we slowed it down. It looks like the STIHL is kind of jumping or oscillating a little bit. I'm not too sure if this is an issue with the brush or the operator. My dad did indicate that it feels a little awkward to hold the Kombi system while using the bristle attachment at high angles to the ground, just because of how the bristles spin. We can see here the Kombi system is doing a good job of cleaning both the layer of ice and the layer of snow on top. So it's clear that the STIHL was more effective at cleaning the ice and snow. However, it is very expensive, and for regular snowfall, the snow shovel would be a lot quieter and maybe just as efficient and effective. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.